Hey guys, let's start watching action movie.
No way! Gusto ko na ng comedy para ikaw!
Both sounds great, but we can't watch a movie at once. Unsa tong piliyon?
But action movies are better than two comedies.
But not everyone likes action movies. Ako gusto kong enjoy kay comedy.
Pwede man dyan ako ng action movies, pero may exciting itong comedy, pero di na mga first choice.
Guys, this isn't a big deal. We just need to find a fair way to decide.
Okay guys, listen. Arguing is not going to help. Let's think about this. How about we can vote in unsa tong papilian mo tong piliyon?
That's fair, or maybe we could watch one movie tonight and the other one tomorrow.
Okay guys, whatever you want to decide.
Can live with that. Let's just decide already.
Okay guys, let's vote. Who in favor of watching action movie?
Okay guys, the votes are in. We're going to watch an action movie and then comedy later. Deal?
Deal.
No.
In this roleplay, Huyad and Angel showed their eye by expressing their personal preferences for the movies they wanted. Their me was reflected when they considered the group's need and agreed to vote or compromise. I, as a mediator, showed the me by helping the group work together and avoid conflict. This scenario demonstrates how our interactions with others shape our decisions and behavior, as described by Ms. Glory.